Bodied. All right, guys, we're here today with
Noah.
And Noah wanted to learn how to do what trick?
A varial flip.
A varial flip? I thought we were doing a 50-50.
Oh yeah, 50-50.
I'm just kidding, whichever one you want. Where do you want to start with?
50-50.
You want to start with the 50-50? Okay, maybe varial flip video is coming soon. We'll see what happens. So, how long have you been skating for?
I've been skating for 5 years.
5 years, that's awesome. Yeah, you started in 2020, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's so cool. So you got your first board.
Yeah.
And how did you learn how to skate?
Your videos.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
That's sick. Well, I must say you were absolutely killing it. And you got the mini board, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's so cool. I love to see people rolling with that board. So first, we're gonna 50-50 that ledge is our ultimate goal for this video. But before we do that, I wanna see your ollies.
All right.
You got good ollies?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's check it out. Wow, dang! I don't want to ollie after that, it's making me look bad. So the basic movements of a 50-50 are a good ollie, and you basically need to be able to do that onto the ledge. I almost want to see just some of your basics before we get started. Not that it has anything to do with the 50-50, but you got a frontside 180 in you?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's see it.
Oh, not backside.
Backside? Okay, let's go.
Oh, shit.
Wow, is that easier for you?
Yeah.
Really? Easier than this way?
Yeah.
Okay, man, I should teach you that too. Yeah, there you go, that's good. Really important on that, really turn that upper body, okay? Yeah, there you go. I gotta see what it looks like to try the frontside 180.
All right.
Oh, you got that too. Okay, I think that you got really used to turning that way. Well, for you, it would be backside, left foot forward that way. Take your head and shoulders first, turn it that way, and then go. And another thing that will help you on both of the 180s, this might be really hard, but I'm really interested to see. Can you, like you're riding, can you go to the nose and do the turn in that direction? Try it. Oh yeah, perfect. So good, I'm gonna tell you a secret about all 180s. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
You can pivot always off your front truck. It's a secret. So I turn my upper body a lot, so my legs are ready to turn, and I land on the nose. You don't need to do that, but when you're doing a 180, if you ever under rotate it, you always want to be heavy on that front foot. It'll help you a lot. Like this. Yeah, I think I will teach you the frontside 180 as well because it's important for your future of skateboarding. But should we get into the 50-50?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, can you ollie onto that curb?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Ooh.
Yeah. Let's do it again. Yeah.
I ollie too late.
Really watch with your eyes. Have your eyes on the front of the obstacle.
Ooh.
Yeah. You got it. I think it'll help you. Take your front foot's pretty far forward, move it back a little bit, and then your ollie just a little bit earlier, split second earlier, okay? Yeah. That was good. Okay, now the secret behind the 50-50 is being able to ollie and move your board onto the ledge. So when I saw you trying before, take a little bit of a slight angle. I want to see how this works for you, kind of like this. And then we're just going to see if we can land. You want to land this part of the truck right there. So your wheels want to be up against it. It's interesting because it's been so long since I learned myself how to 50-50 probably. How old are you?
12.
When I was even younger than him. So it's been a long time. I wonder if this is like really hard. Is that hard? Like, what I mean specifically is not moving and just jumping up there. Oh, you got that. Yeah. And once you get up there, see if you can, you jump up, and I understand because your weight is going forward. Then when you land up there, you're really far forward. So try and do it in such a way where you go and your legs move forward, but your upper body's not so far. Let's see if I can show you. Good. That was it. So all we were looking for there is that you can pop it up and land with both of the trucks. So now we're gonna do it, I think it's a little easier with a little bit of speed. But here's the thing is, just there what you're doing, you're here and you went like that. So let's try rolling somewhat just straight along with the ledge, not even, maybe a slight angle, but not too much. Because when you do the more angle, then you have to ollie, then you have to adjust for a turn to hit the ledge. Whereas if you're going here, you could do the exact same thing you did with a little bit of speed. That's the other thing, go pretty slow.
All right.
So I'll go first and then do what I do, okay?
Can I go this way?
Yeah, you're going this way.
All right.
And for anybody watching, this is called front side. The obstacle is on his front side. I'm gonna be going this way because I'm right foot forward. He'll go this way because he's left foot forward. Make sense?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Front side 50-50 grind, okay? Really perpendicular. I'm going faster than he should. Okay, it's tricky because all that's happening is you're olling up good, but you're just missing the edge. So you're olling a little bit too far that way. So let's adjust it so you're olling a little bit further away. So try that. So instead of going like from here, you're going there. We're gonna go a little bit further out to there. Okay. What I just realized is the front side 180 will help him because he's doing the front side 180 motion just a little bit to hit the ledge right. Yeah, try where you're like not at an angle at all, just riding right next to it and really like line yourself up. So I wouldn't start the 50-50 until like almost the end of the ledge. Here, I'll show you. So like I'm riding, now I want to line it up so it's kind of even. And then do that. And just try and just get your trucks on the ledge. Doesn't matter you land or anything.
All right.
Yeah. Okay, line it up more straight.
All right.
It's interesting because he's coming in at a pretty heavy angle and then he has to like adjust, and then he could jump on. There you go.
I felt my trucks lock in.
Yeah, your back truck fully locked in. I also just now realized, looking at it from this angle, this ledge is like, it's slightly curved. Yeah. So on that one, your back truck was in, your front truck was out. So what we need to do is go, turn it more. Like almost try and like overcompensate on the turn. Yeah! That was good. Yeah. Okay, there's this interesting thing occurring where your board is just leaving your feet a little bit and you're kind of going like that. Your board goes almost a little bit primo. I'm not totally sure why, but your feet are leaving it. Let's try and make your motions a little bit less like fast and a little bit slower. Like just slow down your ollie pop a little bit.
All right.
You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Here, I got a good idea. Let's go back to this practice step where you're just next to it. Yeah, this is where we need to fix it. Make sure your board's with you. Slow down a little bit. It's almost like you're like jumping like that onto the ledge without your board. So let's slow down your motions, get next to it, wait until you have like a ollie in the air, then push it forward. Woo! There it was. That was good. Do it again. Yeah. See, if you master it here, then you add in the motion, it'll be easier. Like one step at a time, yeah? Yeah, good. Yeah, that was good. How do you feel?
Better. It's easier to lock in, I feel like.
Yeah.
Like I got used to it more.
Okay, good. So now, do you think you can do it rolling and lock into a grind? Okay, the one thing I'm gonna tell you again, it's a little tricky because this ledge is actually like, it's curving a little bit. You see that? So a lot of times, like you go up and your board should be in there, but your front truck just misses it, then it goes like that. So you're gonna have to overcompensate more. And it's interesting because the actual rotation that your board is doing, it's the front side 180 rotation, which is the one 180 you have yet to master. Okay, you got it. Yeah, I feel like you're trying to aim for it with the front truck and then you're going and that's why you're missing. Try and aim for it, try and focus on getting your back truck on and your front truck over here. I bet if you try to land on it like that, you'll probably land on it like that, and it'll be perfect. And then we'll learn. Yeah.
I just gotta get my trucks on it.
Yeah, you gotta get your trucks on it. We could also, because this line is the same as the ledge, we can practice also awling like this onto that. Why don't you try that? Maybe it's a little easier. Yeah, I think almost what you need to do is you almost need to angle your board like that way. You see what I mean? Instead of into the ledge, away from the ledge. There it is! Boom! You see that? Okay, do the exact same thing on the ledge. You got it. Yeah, really close. Yeah. There it is! You got this. Okay, one more thing. When you land on there, you want your upper body weight to be that way. It's not like awling onto the curb where you can just be like up there. You want to be like leaning back a bit. Actually, put both of your trucks on the ledge and stand on there like this. Feel how your weight's like a little bit back. And now, go off. Good. You feel that?
Yeah.
Good. Now, you just got to do the part in the middle. So you got the part in the beginning. Now you got the part on the end. Now put it all together. Oh! Yeah. Remember how your weight was when you're on there, right? Mm-hmm. It's a little bit back, and then you go boom. So remember that. Maybe, you know what you should actually do now? Stand there still, and let's try and do this full thing. On and off. Good. Now stay on there. Now off. Whoa, first try! And he does it in a line. Okay, now do it again, and we're gonna focus on that front truck, because if we don't get that front truck on there right. Good, good. Good, now off. There it was, yee! Good, now just do that with just such slight speed. Well, you can do it going fast if you want. Whatever speed's comfortable for you, okay?
All right.
Wow, first try. You're so close. It's all about your upper body weight. So I'm gonna show you the difference. Like, I'll go like way back like that. Whoa, and I'm too far back. If I'm too far forward, I'll fall forward, which is what's happening. So we're just gonna get a good balance between that. He's got it, he's got it. Oh my gosh! That was it! There it is! There it is! Just lean back your upper body a little more, and then the second you feel that start grinding, just pull off. Yeah! You're so close. Should we try the practice step again?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
One last time.
Yeah, let's go right here. And then I really want you to focus. You're getting a little bit closer on every run. So we're just gonna focus on leaning back when you ollie on there, and then being able to jump off. Yeah, I realize it's pretty tricky because in order to get onto the ledge, you need to be heavy on your toes. Then when you land, you need to switch your weight to your heels, right? There you go. This is key whenever you're learning any trick. You do the practice steps, and then if you're having a hard time doing the full thing, go back to the practice step. There you go. Oh, what? I totally missed. Okay, you got it now.
All right.
Yeah. That was good though, because you rode off all the way. Stayed on the board the whole time. Oh, first try. There it is. See that look on his face? He's like, what? I can do it. You got it. There it is. You know what I think it is? Why it's giving you extra hard time? It's just that little bit of curve. If this was just a straight, actual flat ledge, you would have had it a long time ago. You got it. Just think with that and turn extra, okay? First try. Honestly, if he does that exact same thing, but ollies starting a little further away from the ledge, he would do it perfectly. Okay, here, come look at that, so I'll show you. So you're riding up to the ledge, and then you bend down, and you're popping up. And then before you even pop, you're already like turning a little, you're like turning backside a little bit. Let's pop up first, and then turn. Actually, you need to turn the other direction to get that. You see how your front truck needs to go that way to get it on there? So let's try pop up first and then turn that direction. Might help to do the frontside 180. Not even full 180, just do like a little like, not even a 90, maybe like 45 degree. Try that. Just a little turn.
Wait, a little turn on the 50-50?
Or just not even on the 50-50, just on flat.
All right.
Like just ride and just do like a little bodied. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, like that. Now do that on the ledge. You got it. There it is. Woo! Okay, that was good. It's like a 50-50 transfer to the top. So he did a 50-50, his weight's heavy on the toes, and he went to the top. But honestly, that was really good. He's come a long ways. Let's go! Yeah! Woo! That was so good. That was awesome. You did awesome.
Thank you.
Okay, now, so for everybody out there who wants to learn how to do a 50-50 grind, tell them like what you learned and maybe something that you learned can help them learn.
I don't really know.
Was there like any piece of advice that you're like, oh, that changed it, or like now I was able to get my front truck on there? If not, that's fine too, but you did really awesome.
I don't know.
Okay, no worries. Well, very, very, very well done. Is your first ever frontside 50-50?
Yeah.
Good. So you're gonna keep skating and you're gonna be awesome.
Thank you.
Future pro skater, yeah? Okay, very well done. All right, we hope you guys enjoyed that video. We hope that you were able to learn something from this video, and hopefully you're able to progress on your own skateboard. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn how to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.